Hello, all, and my name is Cody Wyman. And are you looking to do something great this year for the rest of the year? Try Kindle Direct Publishing. I got this book called The Self-Publishing Blueprint by Amaka Osai. He is a wonderful, wonderful Kindle publisher and speaker on YouTube. His videos are great, but the content in this book is phenomenal. This book will teach you everything from start to finish, from book creation and picking out your keywords and keyword stacking, which is one of the most important things when you're publishing with something like Kindle, to hiring writers, to determining the best niches to write in, fiction or nonfiction, ranking and reviewing your books, on and on and on. If you want something that is a clear and concise guide on how to succeed at making your first $1,000 with Kindle Direct Publishing, pick this up. It's free right now. He's hosting it for free. He just wants shipping and handling for this, but it's good. It's well worth its weight in gold for anybody who picks it up. And if you need a jump start, this will get you jump started immediately. I'm a ghostwriter, and I'm also an author and publisher, and I'm starting my journey with Kindle Direct Publishing. Actually, I started it in 2014, but I'm relaunching it again, going back into it. And this book, I've read it like at least twice through, 3 times through now, going through. And with books like this, I always read it over and over and over. And it's a wonderful book with a ton of information in it. And don't let the smallness of the book conceive you, because it's jam packed with stuff in it. So if you're looking to make your first $1,000 on Kindle, get this book. All right? Thanks.